Horses out the Boyo, past the begin, coast to coast, and audience, an amazing Damascus, Storm comes next, then followed by Good Move, amazing Damascus, the leader by Ralenga, and in second is Storm, Donori inside Boyo, Good Move, Speed Admiral, most unbelievable comes next, Sweet Eliza, then followed by number 1, Sweet Julian, and coast to coast is the early trailer, we have amazing Damascus, the leader by about 2.5 lengths. Storm now moving up to take second. Boyo in third. Racing in fourth. Good Move. Sweet Eliza now in fifth. Most unbelievable. Donori inside. Sweet Julian. Speed Admiral coast to coast. And a long way back to Super Cup. But it's still amazing Damascus by about 3/4 Balenga. Storm still in second. Boyo in third. And followed over by Sweet Eliza. Good Move. And it's still amazing Damascus by Oralenga. Storm is already outside second, then in third Boyo, then followed by Sweet Eliza. Amazing Damascus still in front, then already outside now is Storm. Racing in third, Sweet Eliza, then followed by Boyo. Amazing Damascus, Storm is already outside, fighting it out for the lead. But still amazing Damascus, Storm is already outside. Amazing Damascus, Storm is already outside, Sweet Eliza. Storm down already inside, is amazing Damascus. Storm followed by amazing Damascus. Storm, a long shot, and finally Storm. Second, amazing Damascus. Then comes Sweet Eliza. Number 3, Boyos.
If I'm not mistaken, di ba binanggit ko yun as one of the outsiders?
Eto pangalawa sa